Find the inverse of g of x equals 7x plus 18 all over 2. Well, I don't like g of x, so let's call it y. y equals 7x plus 18 all over 2. The first thing in finding an inverse is you swap the x and the y. So x equals 7y plus 18 over 2. Now we solve for the new y. Step number 1, multiply both sides by 2, like that. That happens. So you now have 2x equals 7y plus 18. Let's subtract 18 from both sides. So 2x equals, 2x plus minus, oh my goodness gracious me, 2x minus 18 equals 7y. Divide both sides by 7, and let's write out over here that y will equal 2x minus 18 all over 7. I don't like that it's y, it should be g inverse, so g inverse of x is going to equal 2x minus 18 all over 7. And that's that.